So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your YouTube subscriptions on public again. And yeah, let's get started right away. So what we want to do is we want to have our YouTube opened up, of course. And once you're here on the YouTube page, you basically just want to click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Then go to the settings right here. And then we want to click on the privacy tab, because there's a lot of different tabs, but we want to have the privacy tab. So right here it already says keep all my subscriptions private, and we just want to toggle this off. It says your changes were saved, and that is all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.